In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can easily invite your friends to your Lego Fortnite world quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there's two main ways that you can invite your friends here in a Lego Fortnite world. The first way is normal party invites. So essentially hit the options button on your controller or escape on your keyboard and go to your friends list just like so, which I'm already on. Find whatever friend it is that you want to go ahead and invite. For example, let's just say, someone who's off right now because I'm not trying to have them join. Essentially find them on here and hit invite to party. Once they join your party, they'll be able to enter your Lego Fortnite world with you. And the second method is by sharing the world key. To do this, all you need to do is open up your map. Once you're in the map section, go ahead and go over to this player tab and you're going to see a key section right here. Hit invite players. Find the person that you want to invite, and then you'll have the option to, of course, send them a key by doing invite to party as well. Now, you can only do 7 keys max, so just keep that in mind, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.